your little 347 small block Ford, just got done running it. Your description is combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. We painted the pan for you black like you requested. It's hydraulic roller motor, with that custom ground by Comps. It's got the Edelbrock manifold, multi-point. Holley fuel management, Terminator X, real nice system. Billet Specialties front end. Beautiful. Yeah, we'll go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,000, it's 398 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 424. Peaks horsepower 433. We rated it 425. It's got a front end on it, so that's about 10, 15. So it runs good. We'll get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.